Ka Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organization and ka kamso kala dawa na high level committee halor ka harajan colony man pinsten no ka kam ba ban phano kloi kat bala ka Kaiphod ka sarkar jilla na mar ka de ka jingkwa chong pai ba chong ka jilla ban phasa no shwe ki nong shong nong sa ha ka ka colony u secretary ka kamso ba roy ko parson rem ha kalai tere urum phang man ka Snem ulong ba mentala don Snem bala thawi ka high level committee halor ka harajan colony hinre hadu menta kampat la ban ai ka Kaiphod ka bakhado.
Time and again, we have reminded the government, the HLC in particular, that they should complete the process of submitting the report as soon as possible to the government. It is sad to see that 2 years, almost 2 years running now, since that incident that happened at Temator and all the things that happened after that. We have met the government many times, we have submitted memorandums, letters, and again through press release also. But it seems the HLC till now is not able to submit the report to the government. So we, once again, through the press, we urge upon the HLC under the chairmanship of the Deputy CM to complete the process of submitting the report as soon as possible to the government so that the government can take necessary steps as was demanded by us and by everyone that illegal settlers who have been settling in Temator should be removed forthwithly from that place.
Chairman ka kamso ba Robert Jun Kharjaran ulong mo menteri rang ba ka jalau kondat ke sangma ba menteri rang ba benrap uba president tinsong kila banech Delhi mentau banai banya kendoi Amit Shah menteri ki kampo yeng ka sarkar pedeng laban kedau hang ne bo ni menteri ula phawa ne ka sarkar jala Delhi banya kren halor ke issue ILP uba Kharjaran ula ban bade ben menteri kam no mardor ya ka ILP ha ka jala.
Till date, we were informed that the Deputy CM is likely to leave Delhi on 5th and the CM likely to leave Delhi on 7th. Of course, they have other thing also, but appointment with the Home Minister also is one of the agenda. So we hope that the Honorable Home Minister will give an appointment with both the Cabinet and the civil society of the state, and if the Honorable Home Minister give an appointment, we will definitely impress upon him on the need and the requirement of ILP in the state of Meghalaya.